Here's the shower drain hole, and as you can see, there are 4 divots, 4 notches all the way around, and that's to allow for these bolt hubs to go all the way down so the flange sits flush with the concrete floor. So once the flange is sitting flush like this, let's see here, like that. We need to work it a little bit here, back and forth. It's a nice tight fit. Once it's flush, then when we're ready to lay or work on the shower floor, the liner, the shower liner, which is plastic, comes in and gets sandwiched between this part and this top part over here. These 4 bolts come up, shower pan gets sandwiched in, and actually goes in to the center over here, so there'll be no way for the water to penetrate outside of the drain. And then once that's all done, when we're ready to lay the shower bed and the finished floor, we have this adjustable grill that goes on top of it. There you have it.